This freaking bra is annoying, like. People go through this stuff every day. Unfortunately, it sucks, but let me tell you something, sis. Your world is not over. Hell, honestly, it's just actually beginning. Hey you guys, I'm back at it again with another video. All my returning subscribers, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for always showing me love and support. Thank you for commenting on my video. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for sharing my Instagram posts. It's truly appreciated. Also, anyone, this bra, you guys, like this shirt keeps going down. This bra is gonna be showing a lot because it's gonna go right back down. But anyways, all my first time viewers, thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see, you can subscribe. Also, you can click that notification bell to know when I'm providing new content. So today, basically, I'm doing a video about 10 steps on how to get over a fucking breakup. And so, you know, unfortunately, people go through it. People be in a relationship for 10 years, 20 years, 1 year, 2 months, 5 years. And sometimes shit happens. I don't know, I'm not saying, like, I don't know your situation. I'm speaking from my experience, like how I got over it. This may not work for everybody, but I don't know, if this can help assist out, great. Now, the reason I'm doing this video, because a lot of people actually wanted me to do this video. A lot of people asked me to do this video because I guess of my situation. And disclaimer, I'm speaking on my experiences. Also, like I was saying, a lot of people wanted me to do this video months ago, actually. They wanted me to do it ASAP. But at that time, if I would have did that video earlier, it wouldn't be a video like this. That video would have came from a place of bitterness, a place of anger, a place of sadness, and I didn't want to make a rant video. Like, I basically want to make a video to help, you know, because it's fucked up. It's a fucked up situation. But here are my 10 steps to get over a breakup. So I'm going to tell you guys how I go from this.
He don't love me no more. He don't love me no more. Oh my God, he don't love me no more. Get me out of here.
To this. Just kidding. But here are my 10 steps of getting over a breakup. Step 1, it's okay to cry. I was the person, when I went through my breakup, I'm the type of person, I don't like feeling sad. I hate feeling sad. I'm already depressed some of the time, and I don't want to feel sadder. So I will try to ignore it. I will try not to think about it. I will try to stay busy. But eventually, that's not going to work. You're going to have to cry it out, sis. You're going to have to cry, and it's okay. Everyone cries. Crying is actually healthy for the soul. You got to let that shit out. Don't ignore the situation like I did. Trust me, don't ignore it. You're going to have to go through the motions and cry. Step 2, reminisce. I know, like I said, it seems easy to ignore all the memories and the situation and everything, but it's okay to think about all the good times, because you're going to think about it. You can't help it. You're going to think about all the memories. You're going to think about all the good times, and it's okay. Think about it. Feel that emotion one last time or 2 last times, or whatever the case may be. Reminisce and think about the good times. Step 3, and this step is very important, and that step is called time. You're not going to get over a breakup the next day. It may take you a week. I'm lying. It may take you a month. It may take you 2 months. It could take a person 5 years. It could take a person 2 years to get over a breakup. It could take a person 1 year. It depends on you. Feel me? Don't rush to get over something if you're not ready to get over it, because you're just gonna make yourself sad again and be angry again. So don't waste your time doing that. Okay? Time, remember, time heals all wounds. All you need is time. Eventually, this will pass. I promise you, sis. There is light beyond the tunnel. I swear. Okay? So, time heals all wounds. Okay, once you get to a point that you're tired of being sad, you're tired of being angry, you're tired of being bitter, if this breakup is to the point that shit is constantly on your mind, if it's to the point that it's fucking with you every day, such as it fucks with you at your job, it fucks at you when you're driving, it fucks at you when you're out, if it's to that point, to the point you can't really do anything because all you have is that fucking person on your mind, or you just have that whole situation, that breakup on your mind, this is the time to now this is if you really are done and the relationship is over. This is the time, once you think of all the good memories and shit, this is the time to think about all the bad times. And I'm saying, think about the bad times. Think about the reasons why you shouldn't be with this person. Think about the reasons why the breakup happened. It could be his fault, it could be your fault, but just think about it like, okay, for example, if you know deep down that you shouldn't be with this person, but you're still with the person because you love them, and it took for that person to break up with you just to not be with that person, and you just think about everything. Think about all the fucked up shit. Think about the red flags that you ignore. Think about the bullshit that he did that you know you should have been mad at, but you let it go because you love the person, or whatever the case may be. Think about all of that. I promise you. Everything, you gonna remember so much shit that you didn't even remember. And you like, damn, I really put up with this, that, and the third. Like, what is wrong with me? So think about all those bad times. Think about all the bullshit. Think about all those red flags. That's another situation. That's another thing that will help you get over a breakup. Okay, so once you think about the bad times, and once you're really ready to move forward with your life and stop having this person on your mind, just get over the breakup, the next step, stay busy. Stay busy, because when you stay busy, your mind is out somewhere. You stay busy at work. If you always wanted to do something that you really couldn't do while you was in a relationship, like you want to focus more on your career, now you got the time to do it. Focus on that. Focus on you. Focus on making yourself happy again. Focus on being that old you that you was before the relationship. All of that. Step 6. Now this is an important step because a lot of girls do this. You know what? I'm a victim to it. I did it before. When you are fresh out of a breakup, depending on the situation of the breakup, I don't know your situation, but a lot of people, male and female, sometimes they will go to a rebound. I don't know. Girls will probably find like a dude that they used to mess with and have sex with them, or whatever the case may be. Maybe to make them feel better. I don't know. Like I said, I was guilty at this at once, but honestly, sis, that don't really do nothing. Like, okay, you had sex, you know, you got your mind off for a sec, but you're gonna be right back thinking about the situation again. And now you're adding other people, other emotions, because this motherfucker may be feeling you. You may not be ready to be in that relationship because you're still getting over the one before. So what I suggest, please don't start dating and doing stuff until you're ready. Like, when I mean, this is the time to focus on you. If you was in a long-term relationship, now you can really focus on you. You don't gotta focus on the other person no more. Focus on you. Be happy with yourself. Fix your credit. Get a new job. I don't know. Get a new car. Like I said, do something that you always wanted to do. Go out, you know. It's okay to go out by yourself. Sometimes you need to get to know yourself again. And that's one thing I haven't done yet. I haven't went out anywhere by myself, but I do want to just, you know, just go to a bar one day and just sit, take a sip, be by myself. Step 7, music. I don't know, I'm a Pisces and we love music. Music is like our medicine. And at first when you're going through that sad motion, it's okay to listen to sad music for a while. It's going to make you cry, but it's fine. Go through the motions. You have to go through the motions. That's how you're going to get over it. But once you're ready, you know, you're ready to accept the change, ready to accept everything, start listening to motivation music. Like, you can listen to music that, you know, keep you working, keep you grinding, like, you know, like a T.I. song, like Motivation, or like a Big Sean song, I've been getting grind, or whatever. You can listen to that. Or you can listen to more pop and club music, or like women empowerment music. That helped me a lot too. Like, women empowering music, or you can listen to music that's like, you know, I went through a breakup, but I'm good. I'm okay. I did not die. I'm still living. I'm still breathing. I'm still laughing. One good song. If you want, in the comments, if you want to in the comments, let me know if y'all want me to make your breakup playlist, because I can make a breakup playlist, a bomb-ass breakup playlist. I know one song that is good, Survivor by Destiny Child. Like, listen to those words. That's the realest shit I ever heard. So listen to music that motivates you. Listen to music that's going to make you happy. Listen to music that's going to that's gonna make you ready to move on with the future. Listen to the music, like listen to some nice club music, music that's like celebration. Even though you're going through a breakup, at the same time, you're celebrating. You're celebrating your new chapter in life. You're about to go through a whole new chapter without the person that you was with. Shit, that's a whole shift in itself. So now, everything's going to be new. It's like a new world. You're going to meet new people. You're going to be more friendly. Because you know when you're in a relationship, you can't really be friendly because you don't want the other boyfriend to be jealous and blah, blah, blah. Now you can be your true self. So celebrate that next chapter in your life. Okay, step 8. I'm not going to lie. Step 8 was the hardest step I had to do. And sis, but I know it's going to be hard for you, but when I tell you this, please don't curse me out in your head. Because you're going to look at me like, bitch, what? What the fuck you mean? And this is very important. When you're like really want to get over this person, you really want to move forward, you really want to get over, you really want to start a new chapter in your life, you want to forget about this person, you're going to have to block him, sis. As much as you don't want to, you're going to have to block him through the phone. You're going to have to block him on Facebook. You're going to have to block him on Instagram. Hell, if that nigga got your Gmail, you're going to have to block him on Gmail. You had to, and I know y'all looking at me like, what? Block him, how I'm going to watch him. But that's the point. You had to move on. And it's okay, I was guilty. It was to the point I was constantly looking at this nigga page. I was constantly looking at his bitch page. But I'm doing this shit every day and it's fucking with my everyday. And I could still be constantly looking and ain't gonna change shit. That nigga still gonna be with her. That bitch still gonna suck his dick. And my uncle had to tell me that one. Like, what are you doing? So also block him. Don't try to go out looking for the bitch or looking for him, trying to fight and all this shit. Because again, it's not worth it. You have a lot. If you have something to lose, it's not worth it. Because at the end of the day, they're still going to be together. You could react, you could yell, you could shout, you could fight, you could fuck people shit up. But they still going to be together. So you did all of that for what, sis? For nothing. What's the point? So you're going to have to block them. And like I said, I was a victim of this. And I was just sad every day, constantly seeing shit. Like, damn, like, this was me. Now you're treating this chick different. Feel me? And I felt the way. Like, I was really sad. I was really hurt. It was to the point, I was no bullshit. I was in a dark place. A place that I've never been before. And it's something like, yo, this place, this is not good. Like, I can't live like this. Like, I was just so depressed, so sad, in a corner. You know, just I was really fucked up. And once the moment I just blocked them, even you have to block his friends, because sometimes the friends, you know, they probably say slick shit too. But if you gotta block them, you gotta block them too. You won't have to block everybody that's associated with him. I mean, if they don't give you any problems, then don't block them. But if you know it's gonna be some shit, block them. Some of them, even though it's probably not even personal, because I had to block like certain people too. But some of them, it wasn't nothing personal. Like, if I see them on the street to this day, or if they call me, I would still speak, I would still say hi. It's just a situation. I had to block you. I had to do that because I had to get myself better. It's not personal, it's spiritual. I'm sorry. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta fix your mental health before anything. So I had to block a lot of people. Step 9, I had a problem with this one too. And I'm still learning every day, but like I said, with time, the more time that happens, the more better you're gonna be, and eventually you're gonna be straight. So this one, step 9, you're gonna have to forget it. I don't know the situation. Sometimes people could break up mutual, but if it's like a bad breakup where something is fucked up in that breakup, and this person did some fucked up shit, and that person don't even give a fuck that they did some fucked up shit, and you want an apology or whatever, and they're not going to give it to you because they probably believe they didn't do some fucked up shit. Sometimes you just going to have to forgive a person. Sometimes you can't close the chapter. Sometimes you have to close that chapter and just walk away and forget. Because if you keep being mad, being angry at the person every fucking day, like I said, that shit is going to fuck with your everyday. That shit's going to fuck with your job. That shit's going to fuck with your family. You're not going to be a happy person. You're going to be a miserable person. Being sad, being angry, being hurt. And I know it's hard. It's really hard. It took me a while to do it. It took me like, what, 3.5 months to finally figure that out. And once I'm like, you know what, I got to let it go. Because if I don't let it go, it's gonna be on my mind every day. I'm gonna be sad. I have to forgive. I have to forgive. You don't gotta forget what happened. Don't get me wrong. But sometimes you just gotta forgive. Like, you don't gotta be mean to the person. You don't gotta start no shit with the person. You don't gotta talk to the person. Just let it the fuck go. The past is the past, and your future is bright. Step 10, the last and final step. Look forward to the future. Because I know when you first break up, you just think, oh my God, like me personally, when it happened to me, honestly, I felt like my whole world just ended. Like, what? Like, everything just stopped. But at the end of the day, it stopped or whatever in your head, and you're sad and stuff, but you're still breathing, you're still alive, and you're still alive. You're still here. Feel me? Like, you did not die. You're still here. You're going through the breakup, yes, but you're still here, and that's what's important. And once you're officially over it and just ready to start that new chapter, just, you know, have fun more, go out more. Do things, do some fun things that you always wanted to do that you really didn't do when you was in a relationship. Like, you know, go to the club. You wasn't going to the club like that out of respect of your partner, then go to the club. If you want to, you know, if you have the money, don't be a depressed shopper like me, because I'm a depressed shopper. When I'm sad, I will shop. And then you will be broke. You don't want to do that. So if you have a little money, shop, buy something new, buy something nice for yourself. Focus on yourself. Treat yourself. Make yourself happy. Feel me? Meet new people. I'm introverted as fuck. Like, I ain't gonna lie. I hate people. But if I vibe with you, great. Like, if you meet somebody that you vibe with, build a relationship. Not no, you know, boyfriend-girlfriend relationship, but, you know, a friendship. Like, you know, hang out with friends that you wasn't really hanging out like that because you was in a relationship. Rekindle old relationships. Fix important relationships that's important to you, like family, friends. What else? Like, if you have kids, do some fun activity with your kids. Like, be around by the people that you know that loves you and knows you. And I promise you that will help you so much. Also, these are not steps, but these are also other things to help you. And now, disclaimer, I'm not saying get drunk like a skunk. But you have to, you know, take a sip of wine now and then, have fun with your best friend, dance around, and get fucked up just to, you know, clear your head. That's okay. Really, that's all the steps that I had. Those are my 10 steps on how to get over a breakup. Hopefully, this will help somebody else. Hopefully, this will help somebody out like this helped me out. Thanks again for watching. All my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. All my returning subscribers, thank you for holding it down. Thank you for sticking around with me. Yo, we trying to get to this 1K by March. Let's get it. So you ain't subscribed to my channel yet, and this helped you out. If this video helped you out, you're not subscribed, then that's a problem. If you are not subscribed yet, click that subscribe button. Also, click that notification bell so you can know when I'm providing a new video for you guys. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at XOXO_Mochaccino. Right there. XOXO_Mochaccino. Also, tune in to me and my best friend's podcast. It's on all streaming platforms. Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Pocket Casts, Google Podcasts, iHeartRadio, Anchor. It's called The Pussy Chronicles. The Pussy, P-U-S-S-S-Y. It's 3 S's, Chronicles. And we also talk, you know, our hands-on, and we also talk about, you know, breakups, pop culture. We're just goofballs. We just make jokes. We talk about real life. We talk about motherhood. We talk about all the fucked up shit that's going on in this country. So when you get a chance, follow and subscribe to my podcast. I'm gonna leave a link. No, I'm gonna leave the anchor link. When you click the anchor, no, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna leave the anchor link below. So when you click it, it's gonna show you all the platforms that it's on, and you select your platform. Also, if you guys are, you know, liking the details, y'all like this hair, I'll leave the link in the description so you can see my review. This is Stunna Half a Wig from Outre. Also, if you like this little shirt I got, it's kind of cute, right? It got the girls like, pew! I got this shirt from Fashion Over Curve. I got on this little checkerboard skirt. I actually had this skirt for a long time. I had it for like a year, but I just never wore it. Because I'm always working, I don't go nowhere. And I ain't going nowhere because I had a boyfriend. Now you see, I can go wherever I So again, thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.